everybody, welcome back. It's game time. Today I'm going to break a box of 2017 Unparalleled. It's a hobby box. I kind of like 2018, and that got me thinking, why not backtrack and do 2017, see if I can get a couple of good rookies out of this. And so there it is. The price for 2017 is a bit higher than 2018, but not by much. They're pretty comparable. You do get 2 autos, 1 mem here. I think that's the same as 2018. Behind this, you can see I am way behind on mail, so I will do a mail day video very soon. I'm just after traveling and getting back in town, I'm really behind on everything, and obviously my main job comes first. That is what pays the bills and allows me to buy these boxes, so trying to get caught up with that. Lots of projects going on. Busy time, and it's the fall. Football's going. It's my favorite time of the year. Just all kinds of things going on right now. All good stuff though. Cannot complain. Alright, there are 8 cards per pack, 8 packs per box. Let me get in here and see what we got. Says look for NFL shields, brand logos, laundry tags, and more. I would love to have any of that. I do remember these I do like the design of these. Some people say they're crazy, but I think it looks good. There's a Amir Abdullah, a Joe Flacco, and these do tell what the design is. Like this is wind chimes. I don't remember what's numbered and what's not. I think this pink might be. Or I'm completely wrong, but that's Swirlorama. There's Le'Veon Bell, that is numbered to 199. A Paxton Lynch year 2 to 49, so I assume it's a purple parallel. Gerard Davis rookie card, not numbered, and Hassan Reddick rookie, not numbered. So this actually might take a minute because I forgot I need to look to see what's numbered and what's not. So bear with me. Frank Gore. Well, I don't have to look at everything. I know some of these aren't. David Irving, rookie. Hunter Henry. Sammy Watkins. Cam Newton to 199. Russell Wilson zoned in. That is future frame, it says, but not numbered. Carl Lawson rookie, and D'Angelo Henderson rookie. Not exactly the rookie cards I'm looking for, but it's early still. I think that is a hit. That might be 2. Well, I don't know. This might be 2. These are all 3 heavy packs. Maybe filler cards in here. Alright, David Andrews, Hassan Reddick turned backwards to 49. That is an autograph. Sticker rookie auto parallel to 49. Absolutely good looking card there. Alright, Kurt Coleman rookie. Robert Kelly. Darian Stewart to 25. It's like a teal parallel there. Star Factor Drew Brees. Duke Riley. And a Kevin King that is numbered to 499. Alright, Suggs, Eddie Lacy, Matt Paradis, Bobby Hart, rookie, Carlos Hyde, not numbered, Odell Beckham, High Flyers, again not numbered, Tease Tabor, rookie card, and Malik Hooker, and that one is numbered to 499. Alright, there's 4 more. They all feel kind of heavy, so let's see what we got. At least one must have, or 2 should have filler cards. Wilkerson, Bethel, yep, there's a filler. Mike Evans, that is Escher squares. I like the squares. Derek Carr, wind chimes. DeMarco Murray, Swirlaroma. Jordy Nelson high flyers. Bucky Hodges and Marquez White, neither of which are numbered. Still looking for 1 auto and 1 mem. Metter rookie. Hicks. And that is Rainbow Spokes. Navarro Bowman. Patrick DeMarco, not numbered. Malik Jackson. Perfect Pairs, Prescott and Zeke. That's a really good looking card. Future frame, it says, but not numbered. Or if it is, I'm not seeing it on there. I'm known to overlook things. Let's see, there's a Marshawn Lattimore and a Chad Williams rookie. This is probably numbered, yep, to 149. 2 more packs. Michael Thomas. It is a Bethard. This is a Bethard player worn to 49. Sorry, I zoned out. Jersey auto. This could be good. I don't know. You know, everybody had such high hopes for Garoppolo, and I guess now it's Bethard time. So I guess we'll see. How these cards do will be directly based upon how he does. So it could be good. Maybe not. We'll see. Gillette, rookie. Brandon Williams, rookie. Jameis Winston. Year 2, Keanu Neal. This is to 199. Gerard Evans, rookie. Marlon Humphrey. This is to 299. And our last pack, which should have a mem card. We have both of our autographs. We have Gurley, and it is Bethard again, and again numbered 249. It is a very nice patch. Parallel patch there. Huh. I'm not crazy, but I don't mind getting Bethard. I'm not crazy about them doubling down on him in the box, though. I'd rather have a little more variety. It could be good. Again, you know, could be, maybe not. It's definitely a nice patch and a super short print. So, was that right? Yeah, both of these were numbered out of 49. And then finishing up, we have Chester, rookie, Kelsey, Stephon Diggs, Corey Coleman, year 2, a Woozy, rookie, and a Malik McDowell parallel, I think. Yep, to 199. Wind chimes parallel to 199. So, of course, lots and lots of color, lots of different designs, lots of inserts. My hits were just, I guess, meh, I guess. I can look at them again. I think the patch is very nice. And like I said, these are super short print cards, so that's cool. But I wish one was not Bethard. And then the Hassan Reddick, what was this number 2? 49 as well. So all of my hits were very short print, so that's kind of cool. And there's my stack of goodies there. I get to look back through that. That's one of the things I like about something like this. There is a lot of variety, a lot of numbered stuff, lots of rookies, lots of just different versions. So I definitely get to look back through this. I don't just take the base cards and, put them in a box somewhere. I look back through them and appreciate them more when it's something like this. So to me, that's fun. That's a lot of fun, makes the hobby fun. So that's it for this round, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with my next video very soon.